Hey guys, today we're on kayaks going down the river. Yeah, just hopefully we hook into anything. Hopefully catch some smallmouth, maybe some trout. Just see what bites. Just got the first fish of the day. What is this? That's a creek chub. Oh, barely hooked. Well, he gone. Just fishing the current right here. Just look at the view. This is the stuff you get when you go out fishing and be in the outdoors, and this is why we do it so much. It's just not necessarily catching fish, it's just being outdoors and seeing this stuff. Dad over here chilling in his perfectly fine chair he found. Straight chilling.
Look at the view from my chair.
This is his view.
It's beautiful.
It's perfect. It's like he's got his own home now. Let me just go get my chair. Oh. Dad. Ready? This is what I've been doing when I'm 80. Look at that blue heron. The other one just flying.
How close he is. What a beautiful bird.
Just sitting there. There he goes.
Gorgeous.
It's cool to see wildlife, dude. I have no clue how I'm gonna try this, Dad.
Okay, buddy. It goes through here. It slips right through.
Alright.
It slips.
Just figure it out. There you go. Alright. Oh my god, what is that? Is that a largemouth?
Yeah. Alright, so you're gonna go behind him. You're gonna help the guy.
What?
When he came, I hooked him in the corner of the mouth. When he came, it wrapped on the grass.
And ripped it.
My treble did, and he literally came off.
Was that a big largie?
I don't know if it was largemouth or what, that big green body.
I'll see it on tape.
Yep.
I saw his mouth, it was huge.
Dang, okay.
So you get hit by him. Oh, I see what you're talking about. There are some smallmouths.
Keep in mind, you always want to fish. So if the current's going this way, you want to stand on this side so you're not putting mud where you're trying to cast. See how when you move your feet, you're getting mud in the pocket there. Come over this way. Then do it.
I think it's a creek chub. Yeah, it is. It's a big creek chub. I can never hold on to them. On these rapids. What was that? Dad, you see that? Fish, big fish topped right there. Yeah, I'm gonna cast right there because I just saw something. Gotta park up on these crosses. It's so shallow here, I can really freaking paddle. This will give you some biceps and shoulders, that's for sure. Kabam. Caught a smallie. Nice. Dad just caught a smallmouth. Seeing if I can't get what topped over here. It's stubborn now. Wait, let me come over there. What? Is he in a pocket of them? Alright, Dad's on a roll right now. Oh. Don't be surprised if I die in the current, alright? Because I probably will. You got 2 in a row? I couldn't really see, was the first or the second one bigger?
So if you just cast center here, start smashing it. I know those weren't big ones, but that means there's big ones in here.
Well, I don't know what topped, but you'll see it in the video. But when I was just kayaking down the rapids, something hit it. I'm videoing because there's a lot of fish here apparently. We got another one. Yo, that's a, oh my God.
All right, so out of 5 casts, I've got 2 smallies and now a big old, is this a fall fish?
That's a creek chub.
Is it?
Yeah, you can tell by the fence.
I can lip them.
No, they're slippery.
Ow! Oh God, please don't hook me. Huh?
Alright.
I am the greatest.
Look at that.
Woo, baby.
Got this dude right at my feet. Small little guy. Ooh, look at that balance. That looks like a carp, doesn't it?
Mouth is chewing. He's right up in the upper jaw. Hold on, buddy. Hold on.
Look at him. That might be bigger than your other one.
I am the master of chub fishing. I don't want you.
Oh, grab him! Grab him! What? You just got him again with your hand? Oh my God. Oh, shoot. Tightrope walking. 101.
I don't know why these freaking chubs are in love with me today.
Frick. The tightrope beat me, Dad. Watch this, guys. I'm gonna catch one this cast. Pro cast. Got him. What did I say? Oh my Lord, Dad, I got the biggest one. Biggest one yet. I even called it. I said pro cast, I'm catching one this cast. I swear to God. Watch the video.
Well, I don't want to catch any more freaking chubs.
Well, this is a trophy one, Dad.
You didn't get either of my smallmouth on tape. You only got me missing a huge one.
I didn't? Oh no, you were far away.
That's right. So now it looks like all we caught was stupid chubs again.
No, guys, we caught what? 2 smallmouth.
Almost caught a Goliath smallmouth.
Are you serious, dude? I didn't even get to show them. Things
You'll see him, man. He was dying.
They're so slippery. That's so cool. I finally caught one on pro cast. Yeah, I'm gonna throw a couple more casts here quick. And then we can start fishing down or up, whatever, which way we're going.
I'm gonna go over that way and I'm gonna try to get up in the mountain.
All right.
Get him to pick us up.
Dog taking off the shoes, you know? Rock out with the Crocs out. How is my battery almost dead? Dad, you're stuck. All right, I'm catching another one this cast. Maybe. No, you gotta be confident, all right? Catching one this cast. All right, it wasn't that one. It wasn't that one. Oh man, missed him. Missed him again. I'm telling you, all right, I'm catching one this cast, no doubt. All right, there we go. Hit. Dang it, maybe it's a one-time thing. All right, I'm catching one this cast. Oh, shoot. I almost caught the log. That was a bad cast. Whatever though. pro cast. That's kind of dumb. All right, last cast. Gotta capitalize, pro cast, baby. Thing's not spinning right. This doesn't really count. Still got him though. Still got him though. Oh my God, that's a monster. Oh my, Dad! He railed it! Oh my, I can't. All right, that still counts, all right? Come on, man. That still counts.